Hi everyone, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well and hope you have seen my New Year video. And remember what gift did I get from my husband? Oh Kolkata book. So today I am going to prepare one recipe from Oh Kolkata, and winter is there. Fresh green peas is available in the market. So let me go ahead and make one recipe from Oh Kolkata with green peas. Today I am making Koraishutir Dhokar Dalna. Here are the ingredients list. Here I took 500 gram green peas. First I need to boil with a tablespoon of lemon juice and half teaspoon of salt. Bring it to boil. Cook the green peas till they are done. Then you remove, drain and cool it down. Now time to prepare the green peas paste. Here I am using 3 green chilies and 1 small piece of ginger. Now I'll make the paste. I need roasted gram flour to make this Koraishutir Dhokar. So let me roast this gram flour first. Once it's done, I'll keep it aside to use it later. Now to prepare this dish I need roasted cumin seeds, so let me roast it and keep it aside as well. Now in a pan I'll add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Once it's hot enough, I'll pour those green peas paste. Now add salt to taste, half teaspoon Nigella seeds and half teaspoon roasted cumin powder. And now mix everything together and cook it in medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add roasted gram flour and again cook in medium to low heat. Cook it till it comes all together in one place. Now grease one plate and put this green peas mixture into this plate. Flatten the mixture and leave it to cool down for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, cut it, make small pieces. Now deep fry these pieces. Now same way fry all those pieces till it turns crispy. Keep dhokas aside. Now time to prepare the gravy. These are the ingredients we need to prepare the kalia gravy. Now in a pan I took 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. I'll add 2 bay leaves and 4 green cardamoms. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and salt till brown. Add 2 tablespoons of onion paste and 1 teaspoon ginger paste and fry it in medium heat. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut paste and cook it. Fry everything in medium to low heat for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now add tomato paste and cashew nut powder. I will cook it for few more minutes in medium to low heat. Add salt to taste. Cook in medium to low heat till all the spices come in one place. Now I'll add 1.5 cup of water and bring it to boil. Now I'll add half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and my kalia gravy is ready. Now pour the gravy on fried dhoka. Our Koraishutir Dhokar Dalna is ready to serve. So my cooking is over. I cooked Koraishutir Dhokar Dalna from O Kolkata book. It's their recipe. It's really very yummy. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come back with more yummy recipe. So keep in touch. Subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I upload some lovely recipe for you. So that's all from me today. Take care. Bye bye.